I was sent this set of 10 red reflectors and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. You're going to get 10 of these sent to you. Come in a Ziploc bag. And each one of them comes with individual wrapping so they don't get scratched. Here's the reflectors. They've got a bit of cellophane here, so you're going to want to peel that off before you use them. Protects that lens. And you can see these have very good reflective material. They're going to be able to mirror light in all kinds of directions with a nice bright red reflection. Here I'll put a flashlight on it just so you can get a sense for it. It's got quite a bit of resilience here and reflecting back that bright, bright light that I'm shining on it. These come already set up with a hole in the center. So if you're hanging these on side posts that you might be putting along the side of a road, or if you're going to be screwing that into the side of a mailbox, then you can access the center of this thing easily already by just putting a nail or a screw right through there to hold this up in place. Alternatively, you could always use double-sided tape on the back here. It's pretty lightweight. It'll hold up. And it's made out of plastics. It's going to last a long time outside in the UV sun. So this is a good set. You get 10 of them. If you're doing any kind of marking on your property, then this is the kind of thing you might need. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.